Well, the final mystery has been solved. I know what kind of pepper this is now. It's a yellow sweet pepper. I call them sweet rockets. I don't know what you guys call them. I don't know what they're actually called, but I call them sweet rockets. Yep, that's it. Mystery solved, and look how tiny it is. Just tiny. It's a tiny little plant. It's only, I don't know, 8 inches tall. So anyway, there it is, nice and healthy. I don't know what else I'm gonna do with it. I'm not really that interested in taking care of it any further than this. I didn't intend on growing a pepper plant this year. This plant has just honestly been a weed, you know, if you think about it. But I thought it was neat because it just intruded itself in one of my coral bells, and I have been very curious to find out what kind of pepper plant it is. I'm going to let this sit here and get a little more mature, and one day I'll just randomly decide to put it on my salad or something. There's another one here that's probably going to mature soon. But once those two are mature, I don't know really if I'm going to take care of it. I might just take it and plant it outside somewhere and just kind of forget about it and see what happens. Who knows? But anyway, the final mystery has been solved. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.